The stock market hit a fresh new all-time high as judged by the S&P 500. Did we just have the big down day? That's all anybody could talk about. If I told you on Tuesday when the market was down, don't worry, in another 2 days, we're going to be right back to an all-time record high, you might say, I can't believe that could happen. But it did happen. And once again, investors were thrown off. We talk about this, that we don't react to the daily events. We practice good personal finance. We invest according to your needs, your time horizon. When are you going to start taking your money out of your brokerage accounts because you're going to need that money to live on? How about this? If you retire before the age of 67, but you want to collect Social Security, should you instead take money out of your IRA, Roth IRA, or sell out of your brokerage account a little bit to live so you could avoid taking your Social Security so you could put that off until later? These are the kinds of questions that really make a difference to you. And the answers carries the day, not the Dow is down 500 points or up 500. It doesn't change a thing.